this little wooden stamp. My friend Emily from high school made it for me before my interview to study Japanese at Cambridge, and she wrote on it, "Maybe it won't work out, but maybe seeing it does will be the best adventure ever." And it was indeed. And I think that if it worked out for me, it will work out for everybody, so you should definitely give it a go and it will be amazing. This is Tess, and I'm a fourth year in Japanese studies here at Emmanuel College in Cambridge. So I'm originally from Italy, but I went to attend a sixth form college in Highcliffe in Dorset in year 12. And I didn't know anything about Cambridge, I didn't even know it existed. And there was an Asian Day was going to happen. It was organized by Dr. Moretti, who is also a fellow of Emmanuel College. I was able to visit the college and I just fell in love with it, and I loved also the idea that if I came to Emmanuel College, I would possibly, so Dr. Moretti would possibly become my director of studies, who is someone that helps you with any problems you might encounter during your studies. And here I am, and I love it. So this is my room. I live a 5 to 6 minutes walk from Emmanuel College. And when I went to Japan for the first time, after a couple of terms at Cambridge, I was already able to communicate with the people in Japan, and it was really fun. I went on my year abroad in third year I spent 1 year in Tokyo. It was amazing, and now I'm in my fourth year writing my dissertation, but still enjoying the course. I'm writing my fourth year dissertation on a text that is set in Edo period public baths, and I got the inspiration to work on this topic when I was on my year abroad in Japan, and in the neighborhood where I lived in Koenji, but also all around Japan, there are so many public baths. So of course I'm really passionate about the Japanese language. I love how it works, not only the grammar but all the onomatopoeia in the Japanese language and the sounds, and all the different levels of formalities. I really love it. But besides the language, I'm passionate about different things within Japanese culture as well. I study Japanese society and Japanese literature. The other day there was a national speech contest for students of Japanese studies that happened in London the other day, and I delivered a speech about plastics and sustainability, and the Japanese concepts of mottainai, which is like wastefulness, and kintsugi, which is a traditional art.
物が悪すぎるからさ、ちょっと窓から入ってもらえると言われ、私は言われるがまま窓から家の中に入りました。中はゴミ屋敷でした。そこで先生が職場で言ってたもったいないという言葉を思い出しました。もったいないと言ってたのはお金がもったいないからであって、ゴミを減らしたいからではなかったのです。
This is my bookshelf. I love books, not only academic books. I love reading all different sorts of things, and this is one of my favorite books. It's called Moments of Mindfulness, and it just has some nice quotations for everyday life. This is a special dictionary that contains terms and expressions that were used especially in the Edo period. So then here on the wall, or around the wall, I write stuff that I need to do for the week. They meet Japanese friends that I have here in Cambridge. なんか多分私たちがいつもするお話ってやばすぎるからカメラ撮れへんやん。こんばんは。
こんばんは。
それで 今晩は和食を作ってます。一日中忙しかったですが楽しかったです。はい。で、日本の音楽を聴きながら天ぷら、かぼちゃの天ぷら、お味噌汁、わあ、お味噌汁出来上がった。美味しそう。すごーい。And this one here is Dr. Murati. She's my lovely director of studies and also my supervisor for my dissertation. In second year, she was my teacher of classical Japanese and pre-modern literature as well. In every room at Emmanuel College, you'd have your own small fridge. And then on top of it, I have different things. I have my own bento box that I got when I was in Japan, and my hashi, my chopsticks. And this is my tiny desk, a tiny table where I write letters. In my free time, I do diving, and then I collaborate with a Japanese YouTube channel. And then I love traveling, and so in my free time I just plan journeys and where I can go next, and how to be more sustainable and have a more sustainable lifestyle. And the cheapest room, the cheapest type of accommodation that you can get, and it's about £115–120 a week. Emmanuel College is the only college in Cambridge that does a free laundry service. These 4 years studying Japanese at Cambridge were fabulous. It was a very inspiring and rewarding experience.